Let's look at finance. The dashboards in the finance control room include accounts receivable, accounts payable, gross margin, days sales outstanding, days payable outstanding, cash flow management, and general ledger. Let's review the gross margin dashboard. The first row of charts displays revenue and cost of goods sold. The second row of charts displays the gross margin on the left in currency value and the gross margin on the right as a percent of revenue. The third row displays the gross margin and the cost of goods sold as percents on a stacked bar, so it's easy to visualize the ratio. Now, let's review the general ledger dashboard. This dashboard is unique in that it is only a table of data. It is very similar to a trial balance and is easily downloaded into Excel for pivoting. The filters allow you to select any time period of interest so you can download only the data you need. Next, we'll review the warehouse inventory dashboards.